Hi folks, Professor Umachi wanted to get you through T1 Code 1. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, T1 Code 1. This is what we got going here. We're going to need to create a generic page here that has government sites on the web. All right, that's going to be H1 here. And then 10 list items out over here. So here's what we're going to do to make this easy here. We're just going to go ahead and grab those, drop this down here at the end to do a little scratch paper. We're going to come out here right after the body here. Let's go ahead and drop in our H1s. Okay, so hopefully that shows up here. We do see the extraneous text over here, but we're going to be getting rid of these lines soon. Okay, so the instructions here are asking us to do 10 list items that are right here and make these anchor tags. Okay, so let's do Emmet on this, shall we? What we're going to do here is we're asked to do a nav element here. So under nav, let's do a child, unordered list. That's going to be right there. Then from here, we're going to have all of our list items. So within this, okay, child is going to be all of the list items here. So let's do open parentheses. Let's do list item. And then we'll do our anchor tag here. We'll do href. That's going to equal that. And then let's give ourselves a placeholder for some text as well. Okay, and we need 10 of those. Okay, there is our structure right here. So let's do a find and replace here. Let's do all of the attributes here. So on this element for the anchor tag, let's search for that, and we're gonna drop in all of our URLs. Okay, so now that we have all of our URLs in here, let's go ahead and replace this section here. Okay, and I think this might need one more thing. Okay, and there it is. So we can get rid of our text and go ahead and save there. So these should go ahead and resolve here. This is how to get through T1 Code 1 quick and easy. Hope you found this helpful. If you found it helpful, if you found some value, be sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next.